How to remove profile picture on TikTok. Let us first open our TikTok app and go to Profile. TikTok doesn't specifically allow you to remove your profile picture. However, there are a few ways that works the same. Click on your profile picture and then on the Edit button. You can download a plain white image from the internet and post it here. I already have it saved in my camera roll, so I will go ahead and add that. You can see my profile picture almost looks like there is nothing. Another option is, again, go to Edit your profile picture option and this time click on Take Photo. Place your phone on any dark surface and click a plain black picture and then click on Done. To make it look like default, go to Safari and search for Default Picture Commons and go to Images and download one. And add it into your TikTok profile and click on Done. So you can see our profile picture is set to default. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.